You coward. Don't act like you didn't know what you did. You know what you did. How dare you? Since you want to act so stupid, I'll tell you what you did. You went around telling everyone that thing you did to me, acting like it was my mistake. You told everyone, and now everyone's making fun of me. I spent the whole day running away from people. Do you know what they called me? They called me Goofy! Goofy! Huh? You don't care? And you're back talking? Oh, I should. You know what? Look, I'm having a rough day. I don't want to talk to you, okay? No, yeah, you have a point. Maybe I was taking it too far, bro. Who knows? Maybe I was just overreacting. Yeah. Maybe I should just no leave. Just let you be. So, cause why not? So. Ah, you didn't think I could catch you, huh? I have you now, bro. Listen, man, you're going too far. You're going way too far, bro. You better stop and let me be. That's the reason why I'm letting you stay in this house. Because I think you could just chill and just not do anything, any of this nonsense. But you keep doing it. Stop. You're going way too far, man. Chill, alright? Alright. Now that's settled. Just relax. I know you like to joke around and stuff. I know that. I understand that. I'm not telling you to stop. But this one was way too far, man. Alright? Just, come on. Let's just cooperate here. Alright? Alright, cool. Alright. I'll let you be now. I'll see you when I do. Alright. Peace, man.